What are the challenges facing 3D companies right now, and are those challenges, you think, going to be mirrored within other industries?
Yeah, well, 3D printing companies kind of break down into two groups, the users and the producers, the ones who actually make the printers themselves. And of course, they are highly interconnected. The better these guys do at making better machines, the more the users use them. Right now, there's a lot of resistance because all the engineers don't know how to design for 3D printing. You can make things that you couldn't imagine before with such intricacy and complexity that you were unable to do things. So engineers, like to stick with what they know, and so there's a lot of resistance to switch over.